Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Jason, and welcome. I have something here I just picked up from DHL, all the way from Chile. So I want to say big shout out to Joshua over there at Stam Audio. This is the brand new SA-1B5 500 Series compressor. It's an emulation of the classic CL1B, and I have it here to test. So look at this right here. This is well packaged. So I'm gonna break it out of the package and get it installed in my rack and see what this thing can do. So let's see. As you can see, this thing is well packaged. Look at all this bubble wrap right here. Thank you, Josh. All right, so let's see. Let's get this thing open. See what we got inside. All right, so it's protected by foam. As you can see right here, it's enclosed in the foam. So well packaged. All right, so let's get this out. All right, so here goes. Let's get the camera right here. Look at this beauty. Look at that right there. Beautiful. All right, so let me get it out of the case. Let me set this aside. And here it goes. Look at this bad boy. Wee! Look at that. Gold connectors. Wow, this looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. All right, so let me get it right here. Then I'm gonna give you a close-up. There it is right there. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause for a minute and then I'm gonna get it installed and do a test and see how it is. Stay tuned. This is how it comes up. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna run some sound through it. I have a song all queued up. Here goes. He's smiling, all because of me. Yeah, he's happy. I want the world to see. We're living ever happily. Yeah. I'm wondering honestly. How could you not see that we are in love? How could you be talking to talk that stuff? After all this time, so you're feeling stuck. Don't wait on us, no. Looks like you need a love like ours. Then you will know how it feels. Looks
smiling, all because of yeah, yours truly keeps us smiling. You know you had your chance to love her, it's not my fault. They say love is a gamble when you've lost. How could you not love her the way we live? Everything we built, you can't stop our love, so chill. Don't wait on us, no. Looks like you need a love like ours. Then you will know how it feels. Looks like you need a love like ours. You need some happiness still. Looks like you need a love like ours. You need some happiness for real. Looks like you need a love like ours. You need some happiness still. You need a love like ours. Yeah, love like ours. You need a love like ours. Yeah, don't wait on us. When they can't understand it, I know they really can't stand it. You give me loving in the morning and in the evening, anytime I can have it. All I feel is a vibe. Oh yes, you got me feeling alive, and we don't have to try. That's why